the iPhone is still one of the better devices out there for watching films on, but mostly because the integration with the iTunes Store is so strong. While Google Play is getting to a similar level, there's something about the ease with which one can download a whole array of films or fill in missing TV series that makes me drawn to Apple's option when it comes to getting the latest movies. And watching them on the iPhone 6s is pretty darn good too, thanks to the aforementioned laminated glass. The resolution might not be top-notch on the screen, but the overall quality when watching downloaded or streamed content, either from the iTunes Store, Netflix or even YouTube, is really something to behold. iPhone 6s review. Thanks to the lightweight chassis that Apple's hell-bent on adding into every device it makes, the experience of holding the iPhone 6s for an extended period isn't a horrid one. The screen feels a touch small, but that's just all about perception. There was a time not that long ago where a 4.7-inch display would have been the perfect size for watching movies on, but now we've been spoilt by both tablets and the larger screen phablets, and the 750p resolution on something of this size just feels a little too dicky for slurping down too many series in a row. However, it's a great trade-off when it comes to getting a phone that you can toss in a pocket and not think about sticking out the end, so unless you're desperate to improve your commute with the entire James Bond series, which I would doff my cap to you for, then this phone will probably suit you just fine. It's interesting that the 3D Touch system hasn't been integrated into the movie watching experience. On the MacBook you can use Force Touch, which is pretty much the same thing, but likely with fewer sensors, to decide the level of scrubbing speed depending on the pressure you apply. It's not a big deal, but it's something that would have been nice to see on the new iPhone.